Hello guys, today I would like to show you this add-on Mio 3 UV. It allows you to rectify edges in a very simple way. Here we have some examples. So I was looking for something to rectify edges in Blender. I usually use a UV layout to do this kind of work on the UVs. You can get a very similar result. So let's see how we can install it and how we can use it. So let's get started.
Subscribe now.
The first thing you need to do is go to the extensions Blender website. Here in the search tab you can type UV, and here you have the add-on Mio 3 UV. Click the Get Addon button, so click and drag this to Blender. It will update or install the add-on. I already installed it, so just I'm gonna click close, but it's that easy. Then go to the UV editing layout. Here we have the UV space and the 3D model on the right side. I'm gonna rectify some edges of this UV island so you can see how it works. Open the right panel with N, and on the last tab you will see that we have the Mio 3 tab. Select the edges you want to rectify and click straight, and there you go. This will rectify the edges that you already selected, and also it will unfold the UV island at the same time. As you can see, it's a very similar result compared to UV layout. This is the same UV island and the same edges are rectified. So it's a very useful add-on. Also, I would like to show you an example, a typical example for rectifying things are this kind of topologies or UV islands, because in order to optimize the UV space, it's a good idea to rectify this UV island. So I'm gonna bring some of this UV island over here so you can check it out. Also maybe this one and this one. Okay, so select the edges you wanna rectify, click straight, and there you go. Remember always to unselect everything before you rectify another UV island. We're gonna do the same with this one, and the same for this, without this one. There we go, straight, and that's it. As you can see, you will get a bit more of distortion, but you will gain a lot of UV optimization. So this is like the good part of the add-on. I would like to show you also what the add-on can't solve yet. So this is the other example. We will try to rectify this. This is a really difficult UV island, I know, but I would like to show you like the worst scenario. If you want to rectify all these holes, I'm gonna select them pretty fast, so we can check it out. So this is what happens when you wanna rectify a very complex UV islands. Compared with UV layout, you can rectify a lot of edges or holes or whatever, and it will solve the edges. It will rectify everything. Also, a good thing about UV layout is that you can still working on the which edges you want to rectify, or if you want to add more rectified edges, you can do it. The bad thing about this add-on is that if you want to rectify more edges in the same UV islands, you will have to select every edge loop in order to rectify like a group of edges. But besides that, I think it's a really good option to rectify things. So congrats to Mio, the developer. I hope this add-on could help you out with some rectifying problems, and see you next time.